And do you have an idea of style that you like?
No.
No? Well, that's what I'm here for.
Just not this, like.
Hello, how are you today? So, I'm very excited because I'm going to be bringing you a new bedroom transformation. This one's very special though because this one is my friend Tara's bedroom. And in her words, she thinks it's ugly. So we're going to fix that. We're going to take Tara's room from this to... You're gonna have to wait for that one. Okay, I'm just so excited about this. So I'm gonna shut my mouth and let's just get into it. Just like say like I'm just meeting you for the first time. Like tell me about.
I've known you my whole life.
I mean, like people who are watching to know who you are.
I've been in videos before. They should know me.
Yeah. Hello. Duh.
They're fake fans if they don't.
So Tara, what inspired you to transform your room?
Well, mainly because my room at the minute is really ugly. Like it's disgusting. I haven't changed my room since I was 12. I don't know what possessed me at 12 years old to paint it this colour that I did. It's like a turquoise. I must have had issues, but anyways, it's fine. So I literally would rather paint my walls brown, than have it this colour on it. I can't look at it one more day. So I haven't had a new colour in my room for nearly 9 years. So I think it's time for a change, time for a switch up.
We're getting rid of the lights behind you.
He's getting rid of my LEDs. He thinks I need to grow up, so.
LEDs, you should be able to see them.
Honestly, where the else am I going to put them, like?
They're not going to be here full stop.
Yeah, he's getting rid of them, so taking all the fun out of my room. It was the one thing I could look at, but we're getting rid of practically everything that's ugly, so like pretty much all the furniture, to be honest.
And do you have an idea of style that you like?
No.
No? Well, that's what I'm here for.
Just not this, like it's, well, like, I don't know, luxury. James whispering in my ear, like the flashcards. Really luxury, fun. A personality, because I'm luxurious and fun. So, yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with all my college books. I guess I'll have to throw them out too. If James doesn't think they fit the aesthetic, who am I to argue? I'll have to throw them all away. I'm looking forward to the painting process because I think it'll just be a new room then because I literally just any colour than this. But the colour we've picked out is actually really nice as well, and we're painting the skirting boards as well, so that's going to be fun.
That was a tough one to...
It wasn't. James literally said I had no choice, so... And I have to paint the doors, which I'm not happy about, but like, whatever.
She's like, oh my god, I love it so much.
So me and James, if you didn't know, we're actually also part-time carpenters. So we're gonna build my own vanity. So if you're ever in need of a vanity in your room, just give us a shout. We have our own business actually going, so in Arkle, so we'll build you a vanity. So we're going to put a vanity in here instead of that ugly bookcase. I'm so glad to be working with such an amazing interior designer. He is not paying me to say this.
So we're just covering all the furniture that we're keeping in the room because it's too heavy to bring into the other room with plastic bags, so you know it doesn't get stained or marked. Oh, also, we're getting rid of these lights also, which I'm very excited about. The moment of truth. Okay, so we have it all masking tape now, well, to an extent, and we have all the furniture out of here. We need to get this off. We're waiting for the drill to kind of charge up so we can take them off, and we're ready to start painting. It's very exciting. Last looks now, Tara, before before it's before the turquoise is gone and the cream is gone and it's all fresh and bright and just elegant and amazing. Right, okay, let's go get painting. Ooh. Ooh. This is the paint. It's just like a strong white. So we just found the light is this one up here. So we just need to find and see if it's anywhere here now, so we can go and buy it. Happy, Tara?
How much is it?
Yeah, that's true. So this is what I'm doing. I'm trying to find a light for the room, but it has to be below a certain price and it has to fit a certain look. So it's proven difficult. It's taken a few days to find one, and I found one that's perfect style. It's a bit more expensive than planned, but like, I mean, in grand scheme of things, it's not that expensive. So just see now how it goes, and might have to keep looking. This is real life. This is behind the scenes, behind the scenes. So what we're doing now first is we're measuring it out. So we went up and measured the width of the window, and now we're just marking it down the
For the vanity.
For the vanity. And then we're just gonna, we don't have a ruler, so we're just using anatomy
Physiology book
to measure it. So then we're gonna cut this, and we're gonna get two kind of square planks of wood and drill them either side, like one of them up there. Yeah. And then we're going to just slot this in on top and put this, glue this down on top of it, just because it's a smooth surface, so it's easy to wipe. And we're going to also put it along the front so it looks like a thick kind of shelf kind of thing. So will we succeed? Well, you'll know sooner than we will. So yeah, let's continue. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna break the saw or cut my fucking hand off. So today we're making Tara's desk part 2. So we have everything cut to the size that we need. But what we're doing now is we're just going to drill these into the side here, just as extra support. And then we're going to put this guy across the middle. Just hold it up like so it doesn't concave on us in the middle. And then we're going to get this guy and other guy, and we're going to cut it so like it kind of, wait a second, that's not it, is it? That's not, that can't, okay, no, it's not that one, it's, no,
Oh no, it's not that, no, that's the top.
Is that?
Yeah.
We didn't think that's one.